Today, guys, we are going to modify this watch. I bought something off of eBay and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own at an affordable price. This was about $40 on eBay. So yeah, let's just jump into the box. It has a G-Shock logo here. I think this is a fake one. It's not original Casio parts. So let's flip it around. We got some screws. You will see what these are for later. We got these tools. This is a screwdriver. And this is what's it called? This spring bar tool. See here. Spring bar tool that you get in the package, which is nice. And you also get these good stuff. So you have also a screwdriver here, a little bit more robust one, which is this for, you can see this other kind. And we got the case itself. And we also got a retainer here with the G-Shock logo. I am not sure. It actually looks legit. It looks legit, man. But it's probably a fake, but yeah, look at this. I can show you a comparison here with this. So this is the color version, but oh, it looks actually pretty good. Pretty good stuff. Okay, and this one got really nice finish here. So, oh, it's promising. It's really promising. So what I've done actually before I recorded this video is to remove the screws. So there are 2 screws here and 2 screws here that you have to remove. And you just screw it out with this tool. And when you have done that, this tool is not needed anymore. Let's put it here. And how to remove this case. As you can see, it's not that easy, but you have to actually bend it around the buttons. So we will try to do that without breaking anything. Just be careful when you do this, so you don't destroy the case itself or break the buttons. Okay, so we are in. This is how it looks like without that. I think it's a pretty good look. Oh, yeah, not too bad actually. But we'll pimp it out a little bit more. So we have this one. What I would do, I would clean this. Take away some dust if it's gotten between the case and the glass. So please just clean it before. But you actually flip it on, maybe a little push, and then you have some screws that follow. I have these on the side here, and then you put it in. You use the other blue tool to lost it. Be careful, it's easy to lose these small screws. And if you have pets around, please be careful for kids. I have a dog myself, that's why I said pets before kids. But as you can see, just screw it in. I don't think you need to show me how to screw. Don't screw too tight. I'm not sure about the quality of these screws, so it's from China, so I wouldn't screw them too tightly or else they will break. Okay, and now let's go to the retainer here. Because I think this that come in the package is, wow, much cooler than this rubber bad one. So what you have to do to open this, you of course have to open this before you can drag this out, or else you can just cut this off, but you have to open it anyways. So let's do that. You take the spring bar tool, and one of the edges is just not a pipe but a cylinder. Like this. The other one is kind of sharp, so be careful. You take the cylinder one, you stick it stick it in here, and then you try to move while you press it down, because it's a spring cylinder inside here. So there you go. That's simple. And then I don't know, is it this way or this way? I have a comparison. So let's see how the text is on this one. Color is up, so this G-Shock is also up. You can try to slide it all the way over. I will do like this. Okay, it's not so easy. Use your fingernails if you have to. Yay! There we go. So we got it on, but we didn't remove the other one. Yeah, tough luck. But yep, that's basically how it is. I can also show you how you put this back on. You have to align it into one of these holes first. There and there. You do like this. You kind of press it into the hole. Or you try and succeed. Or it's easier to do it like this, yes. And then you are left with these parts. So what you'll do is you'll hold it tightly. It's kind of a trick work. Then you press it in and then you slide it over. Let's see if we can do that as well. It's not easy. It's not that easy. Okay, I failed. But you get the point, right? Okay, so that's pretty much it. I think this mod is actually giving it a much better look, and it stands together with my gold version with the same, or it's not the same band, but the same look of the band. And then you got a silver, you got a gold, and yeah, ball keeps rolling, and suddenly you have the red metal one and the black one. So you can mod it for a cheaper price, or you can buy the premium. It's up to you, but now I've at least shown you one way to bling out your GA-2100. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you.